gold. Yes. That is awesome. Alright, now time to go do the teleporter. Teleporter. That is so awesome. What? Oh, this guy. Alright. Yes. Alright, that thing took like no damage. Oh, Gaiatine. Are you stuck? I think they might be stuck. Oh, funny coin. Yes. That's a very intimidating sound. Just loud footsteps coming from over here. Oh, what is he doing here? Oh, my drone's back. Nice. I thought he was stuck in the cavern things. I want to know what that guy's deal is. That's like a boss. What is he doing just walking around? The huge crowd of enemies. And all of them are at low health and I kill one of them and they just all blow up. Here we go. What in the world? Oh. Oh my gosh. Why is he over there? Oh, it's fighting the drone. It got aggroed by the drone. Okay. Oh, this level. This level, I know this one. It's okay, this is a good level. Because I figured something out. Behind the like obelisk thing that you obliterate yourself at, there's like a panel that has instructions for what to input into the teleporter thing here. So I'm gonna have to try that out. The world. Ooh, this. Oh, I just barely dodged that. I'm gonna go for it. Please. Yes. All right. So I saw behind the obelisk thing, all of them this shape. I think it will do something. Let's see. I think it's doing something. Oh. What? Okay, maybe it's after. Maybe once you get through. What? Oh no. My health is so teensy. No. Ah! Just did a donut there. I think this character is so heavy. Because usually when you use the artifact key or whatever, it launches you across the entire map. I was using the sword guy for this area, and every time I did it, I just fell into the void. Oh! What? Okay. Do want to play this guy more. He's running away. Why is this on the map? Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh no. I'm gonna play this guy. Where are you going? What is happening? Hi, Diggs. I'm just playing some It Could Possibly Rain. Alright, here we go. One item. I feel like I'm at a carnival shooting clowns or something with a squirt gun. What are you doing? No! Oh, wait. This is the robot. I need that. Can I have it back, please? Oh, I need that. I'm pretty sure that goes into that. Okay, I need to look this up. No! It's lost. I can't get it back. If the drone dies, then the item it has just disappears. Welp. There's a new character right here. This enemy literally gets sent to Ohio when you kill them. Look at that. Goofy seizure? What does that mean? Goofy seizure. Should I go for this? Should I do it? Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. What in the world? It's like a spine? Randomly create a ward of power. All characters deal the bonus damage while in the ward. Oh! This is it! It's the ward of power. Ow! Stop it. So should we go to the moon, or should we go to a like weird relic dimension? Moon? Alright. Let's go to the moon. We gotta find it first though. Oh my gosh! Why does that do so much damage? I'm so confused. Did they playtest this? This is like a scary, aggressive enemy. I press a button that says R on my keyboard, and they just die. They just disintegrate. They just fall over. Okay, I think there's actually an alternate route that I can go other than the relic dimension and the moon. So if I do it now, it'll send me to the moon. But if I press this, it'll change it so that it'll send me to the planet. I did it earlier. It just says the planet, but I didn't go through it. So should we do the moon or the planet? Alright, the planet it is. Alright, here we go. Grandparent! 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 Oh! Oh yeah, I forgot. This does like stupid amounts of damage. Oh, now it doesn't. He's dead! I don't get it! He's like an avocado. He's just got a big seed in the middle. Well, that was weird. That's supposed to be a big scary enemy, but I guess... yeah, it's Meemaw. You got a weird grandpa if your grandpa doesn't look like that. Alright, we're here. What are you? What are you? All my robots are gone! No wonder I was taking so much damage. There's no silly little drone to draw aggro. Oh, he's doing the thing! He's doing the thing! Get out, get out, get out! Oh my god! No! I'm dead.